How to download Mobile Legends on your iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can download Mobile Legends on your iPhone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So first, what you'll need to do is open up your App Store. After you open up your App Store, simply head over to the search bar that is on the bottom right corner and search for Mobile Legends. After you search for Mobile Legends, you should find Mobile Legends right here. Now I have already installed it. Now for you to install it, simply tap on install button and confirm it to get it started. Now as you can see right here, Mobile Legends is a 5v5 showdown and you can play against real players. You can choose your heroes and then build your team, and after 10 seconds of matchmaking you'll get to play a 10 minutes long games. And here you can fight with your friends, you can fight with your enemies, you can create teamwork and strategy, and yeah, that is basically what you do on Mobile Legends, and that is how you get the app. And yeah, that is all for today. Thanks for watching guys. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos, and bye bye.